What's up, everybody? I just want to share with you something I found out. I don't know if you remember, in my previous video I had this this issue with this sauna board. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find a copper plate and cut this nicely and put a new one. I found few options. There is not exact indication on the product and stuff, but I was wondering maybe I should just try it. I'm not sure how big it is. It's 100 to that's okay, so it's 10 centimeters by 1 centimeter, I think. I'm not sure. Let me check. And I don't know exactly if it's for soldering. It might work, but I'm trying to find out. Like, I want to fix it. Like, I want to kind of cut this all out nicely. You see, it's all loose, and custom made the same exact plate and shape. So I'm not exactly sure if that would work. There's no indication here. It looks like, yeah, it looks like very thin or something. I don't really think that might work, because I mean, it might. There's not many pictures here to show, but let's do some more research. Just wanted to see if there's anything available for how to solder copper shims. No. I mean, I can try it out. I don't think it would hurt. Let's see what, I don't know, what's the thickness of this one. Probably 0.001 or something. 0.2. I don't have a caliper to measure it, but it's very thin. Honestly, I'm not sure if it's gonna even work, but I'm just gonna test it. Maybe I'll order something really cheap just to see if it's actually gonna work or not. I'm just trying to see something with maybe reviews, maybe somebody actually done anything like that before. I'm not sure. This looks like a pretty thick one, and this is more for keychains. Bendable, you can cut it. Keychains, there's only 2 reviews, probably no pictures or nothing like that. Pure copper, 16 bucks. A good product for a simple usage of copper. But is it 100% copper or no? Pure copper sheet. You know what? I'll get it. Worst case, I'm gonna reuse it for something else. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm gonna order the parts. I'm ordering this copper piece. If not, I will just custom made my own thing. And I'm ordering the relay on this guy, and I'm gonna get it fixed probably within a couple days and send it back to the customer. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.